Hello, and welcome to a Random Rips, where today we have some Shining Fates and a couple Evolving Skies. Hoping to get something neat out of it, but we'll see. Alrighty, and after unpacking all that, we're left with nice jumbo card. Got a Bolton shiny. And then from our singles, I got Galarian Slowpoke and Eevee. I like the Elder Gloss ones. Alright, I guess we can start with an Evolving Sky. Rescue, Scroll of the Flying Dragon, Crystal, Dino, Feebas, Teddiursa, Hoppip, Hitmonchan. For a reverse, I got an Eevee, Rock'n'Rolla, and for my end card, I got the Rayquaza VMAX. Yeah, that's pretty fucking sick. Hell yeah. We'll take that. And he's a Rapid Strike? Hell yeah. I can play him in my Rapid Strike deck. Alright. On to Shining Fates for me. Oh. I gotta learn how to open these packs correctly. 1, 2, 3, to the front. Getting rid of Leaf Energy. Got a Thwackey, Rusted Sword, Rotom, Cufant, Weasel. Cool. Is it Florges? Yeah, Florges. Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Reverse Manaphy, and a Volcanion. Second pack of Shining Fates. Alright. I got it now. Boom. Alright. 1, 2, 3 to the front. Alright. Got a Dartrix, Eldergloss, Luxio, Rowlet, Eevee, Morpeko, Weasel, Nickit, a Coughing, and a Boss's Orders. Professor's Research isn't terrible, so I mean, at least it's a playable card.
Yeah.
We'll go 1, 2, 3 to the front. You. And we got, ooh, double Tropius. Sick. Rotom. Ooh. The parallels here. Rowlet. Eevee. Morpeko. Weasel. Hey, shiny Proboscis and a shiny Rillaboom V. Not bad. And for my last card, yes! Another Galarian Weasling for the collection. Once again, cat is in play. Steel Energy. Got another Tropius on the front. Gym Trainer, Rotom, Cacnea, Gossifleur, Snom, Trapinch, Nickit, a Shanks, ooh, Shiny Milcery. Oh. Alright, well. Alright. Last Shining Fates, for me at least. One, two, three to the front. Get it right in the water. Start off with the Eldergloss. Nice. Gym Trainer. Cramorant. Cufant. Grookey. Weasel. Yanma. Trapinch. Oh, nice. I got one too. I got a Shiny Dracovish.
Nice.
Into an EDDV.
Cool.
Yeah, he's pretty cool.
It's my second shiny Ditto.
Hell yeah. Alrighty. Last pack. We're hoping for a banger. Give us the banger we deserve. Rowlet and is a Rude.
Nice.
Alrighty. It's a pretty good pack opening. Got the Rayquaza VMAX. We'll take it. Alrighty. See y'all later.